Hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today we continue with the serie about the verb to be in Spanish. In the previous videos, we talked about the personal pronouns, the verb ser, and how and when to use it. But in this second video, we will learn how to conjugate the verb ser. If you have not yet seen the previous videos, I leave you the links in the description box, so you can see them in order and this will be easy for you. And remember that you can get the PDF of this lesson for free. Now let's get started and don't worry because we will go step by step. These are the personal pronouns in English. Let's see their conjugation in the verb ser. I mean yo. The conjugation is yo soy. Yo soy. You in Spanish is used in two ways. The first form is informal. Informal forms is for friends or for family. But the second form is formal. Formal is used when you want to talk with respect. Then the informal form is tú. And the conjugation is tú eres. Tú eres. You in formal forms is usted. Then the conjugation is usted es. Usted es. He mean él. The conjugation is él es. Él es. She mean ella. The conjugation is ella es. Ella es. Did you hear that alarm? This alarm means that in Spanish there isn't the pronoun it, but this topic is long, and to avoid confusion then we must talk about it in another video. In previous videos we talking about the pronoun we. When we use this pronoun, we need to think in the gender because if you are talking about a group made up for men and women, you need to use nosotros. Then the conjugation is nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use nosotras. Nosotras somos. For the pronoun they, also we need to think in the gender because if we are talking about a group made up for men or men and women, we need to use ellos. Ellos son. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use ellas son. Ellas son. The only pronouns that have equal conjugation form are you, formal form, usted es, he, él es, and she, ella es. Now we will look at examples where we will practice the conjugation form of each pronoun with the verb ser. And remember when we should use it. Now we will start with the pronoun I. I mean yo. The conjugation is yo soy. Yo soy. 1. Yo soy de Colombia. I am from Colombia. Yo soy de Colombia. I use yo soy because I am talking about my nationality. Yo soy Viviana. I am Viviana. I use yo soy because I am talking about my name. Yo soy mujer. I am woman. I use yo soy because I am talking about my essence. Yo soy inteligente. I am smart. I use yo soy because we are talking about my characteristics. The personal pronoun you in informal form is tú. The conjugation is tú eres. Tú eres de Colombia. You are from Colombia. I use tú eres because I am talking about your nationality. Tú eres Viviana. You are Viviana. I use tú eres because I am talking about your name. Tú eres mujer. You are woman. I use tú eres because I am talking about your essence. Tú eres inteligente. You are smart. I use tú eres because I am talking about your characteristics. You informal form is usted. The conjugation is usted es. Usted es de Colombia. You are from Colombia. I use usted es because I am talking with respect about your nationality. Usted es Viviana. You are Viviana. I use usted es because I am talking with respect about your name. Usted es mujer. You are woman. I use usted es because I am talking with respect about your essence. Usted es inteligente. You are smart. I use usted es because I am talking with respect about your characteristics. The personal pronoun she in Spanish is ella. The conjugation is ella es. Ella es de Colombia. She is from Colombia. I use ella es because I am talking about the nationality of her. Ella es Viviana. She is Viviana. I use ella es because I am talking about the name of her. Ella es mujer. She is woman. I use ella es because I am talking about the essence of her. Ella es inteligente. She is smart. I use ella es because I am talking about the characteristics of her. He mean él. The conjugation is él es. Él es de Colombia. He is from Colombia. I use él es because I am talking about the nationality of him. Él es Alejandro. He is Alejandro. I use él es because I am talking about the name of him. Él es hombre. He is man. I use él es because I am talking about the essence of him. Él es inteligente. He is smart. I use él es because I am talking about the characteristics of him. Remember, the pronoun it in Spanish don't exist. In the pronoun we, you need to think in the gender. If you are talking about a group made up only for men or men and women, you use nosotros somos. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use nosotras somos. Nosotros somos de Colombia. We are from Colombia. We use nosotros because we are talking about a group made up for men or maybe men and women. And you use nosotros somos because we are talking about our nationality. Nosotros somos María y José. We are María and José. We use nosotros because we are talking about a group made up for a man and a woman. And we use nosotros somos because we are talking about our names. Nosotros somos hombres. We are men. We use nosotros because we are talking about a group made up only for men. And we are use nosotros somos because we are talking about our essence. Nosotras somos inteligentes. We are smart. We use nosotras because we are talking about a group made up only for women. And we use nosotras somos because we are talking about our characteristics. In the pronoun they, you need to think in the gender because if you are talking about a group made up for men or men and women, you use ellos son. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you use ellas son. Ellos son de Colombia. They are from Colombia. I use ellos because I am talking about a group made up for men or maybe men and women. And I use ellos son because I am talking about the nationality of them. Ellas son María y Camila. They are María and Camila. I use ellas because I am talking about a group made up only for women, María and Camila. And I use ellas son because I am talking about the name of them. Ellos son hombres. They are men. Ellos because I am talking about a group made up only for men. And I use ellos son because I am talking about the essence of them. Ellos son inteligentes. They are smart. I use ellos because I am talking about a group made up for men or maybe men and women. And I use ellos son because I am talking about the characteristics of them. Now you know how and when to use the verb ser. Let's see how this verb is used in a conversation. Hola, yo soy María y él es mi hermano. Hi, I'm María and he is my brother. Hola, yo soy Pedro. Hi, I'm Pedro. María y yo somos hermanos. Mary and I are brothers. Ella es estudiante y yo soy doctor. She's a student and I am doctor. In this lesson, I'm going to leave you a homework. Write me in the comments phrases with the verb ser, and I'll be checking your answer. In the next video, we will learn about the verb start. If you liked this video and I help you, I invite you to follow the page and like it. I'll be posting every week. See you soon!